Today, we're going over the features and benefits of Over Glasses or Fit Over Safety Eyewear. If you wear prescription glasses, this might be the simplest safety upgrade you can make. Let's get into it. Fit Over glasses are exactly what they sound like. Protective glasses designed to fit right over your existing prescription pair. No swapping, no juggling, just instant ANSI rated protection. They're super lightweight, super comfortable, and they come in multiple shapes, so they can fit on most prescription frames without feeling bulky. Models like the RX SP16 are a design that many people are familiar with, but we have other models too, like the Fit Protect, which has a more standard glasses-like design, and there's the Paramax Capture, which has a more goggle-like frame that creates a full seal around the eyes. At RX Safety, the Fit Over lineup includes options with clear lenses, tinted lenses, polarized lenses, and even anti-fog coatings. So whether you're in the workshop, out in the bright sunlight, or dealing with temperature changes, you can still count on clean visibility. I'd say they're great for anyone who's involved with construction, manufacturing, labs, healthcare, or even weekend DIYers who just need reliable protection and don't want to buy a whole second pair of prescription safety glasses. If you're looking to grab yourself a pair, just head over to the RX Safety website and check out the Over Glasses Safety Glasses category.